We've refreshed. Me and Kim literally just had like quick showers, and I think Kim's put the same clothes back on. I haven't.
Not the same t-shirt on.
Oh, she put a clean t-shirt on. I've put a dress on, not that you can see, and I've got a jumper on, but I've got a little dressy thing on, just to freshen up, change my shoes. I recommend that if you go back to the room, change your shoes to go back out with. We are gonna go magic.
Yep.
Yeah, so we're gonna go to Disneyland Park. I'm going to see. Okay. So yeah. Me and Kim are exhausted. We're totally exhausted. We are refreshed and back out in the Disneyland Paris Park. Ooh. There it is, castle. Ah. Lovely. Big dark clouds around. Oh, the 30th, like statues are all gone. All like the kinetic statues are on the side, they've all gone. As predicted, because it's 7:30 at night, Small World is a walk on, so that's what we're doing, walking on Small World. We love this ride. We've been singing this song every night before Callie goes to sleep, so part of me is kind of hoping he's conditioned enough that he might actually fall asleep on the ride, because Lord knows he needs a nap, but we'll see. Successful carousel trip. It was, I don't know, like maybe a 20-minute wait. But Callie made friends with another little boy who was like 4. He was also in a dress and he was like very happy. They both had the same, not the same dress, but both had Rapunzel dresses on. Now, we're going on Pirates. I'm not going to film this because one of the batteries about to... We're off on Phantom Manor. He's asking to go on Big Thunder, but he's not tall enough. We said we'll come back as soon as he is tall enough. It has taken us all day to do this, but we are now finally going on Buzz. Now Buzz is usually the one we go on first, but we're finally getting to it.
Veuillez s'il vous plaît vous asseoir au fond de vos sièges. Votre barre de connexion va ride, there was plenty of the targets not working. I'm not impressed by that. The car, everything like that looks fine, but not impressed with the fact that things aren't working. Yeah, all strapped, mummy? Yeah. Got your strap on? Woo, up we go. Pull your lever. Fred, pull the lever. Oh, pull it, push it. Push it to go higher.
De cœur pour que la magie prenne vie.
When you find love in your heart,
the world becomes a magical place.
Tu es revenu.
La magie ne se voit pas toujours avec les yeux. Parfois, la magie est cette chose que l'on ressent à l'intérieur de soi.
Sometimes magic is something you feel inside. I know a girl from an island. She stands apart from the crowd. She loves the sea and the
Going on this adventure with you feels like magic!
Viens à moi, ma proie.
Not today, sir. Look out!
Our curiosity leads us all to look for magic.
Follow me!
Beautiful colours, aren't they?
Recuérdame, aunque tengo que mirar, recuérdame, si mi guitarra.
You see, he lives in you.
Thanks for watching this week's vlog. It's a little short one for you, so I put it in as a midweek bonus. Thank you, bye.